Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the country of your Google Play Store. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply open your Google Play Store. And now let me show you what is my current country in my Google Play Store. So for doing that, just simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then click on settings, then just simply click the drop down box for general, then click on account preferences, and over here as you can see my current country is right now India. So let me show you how you can change this. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply go back again and again, click on your profile icon, then click on payment and subscription, then choose payment methods, and after that click on more payment settings. But just for information, in order to actually change your country in your Play Store, you must have to add a wallet or any type of debit card, credit card or net banking ID, because without adding a card you will not be able to do that. So after you're done adding any type of card or a wallet, just simply click on more payment settings, then choose a browser again, then just simply choose the ID which you want to change the country of in your Play Store. And after you have done that, just simply click on the three lines at the top left corner, then go to settings. There you will find country and region. So now what you have to do is just simply click on the pencil icon over here, then click on create new profile. Now all you have to do is just simply click on continue to create a new profile. So just simply click continue. Now choose a region where you want to change the location to. So now I'm just going to click on United States, then click on continue. Now just simply write down any address. Now it is not necessary that it have to be correct or not, just simply enter anything and enter a passcode which you can easily find on Google. So just simply enter that, and after you're done with all of that, just simply click submit. Now just simply click on view profile. Now after you have clicked view profile, the next thing that you have to do is just simply choose the new address line that you just create. So just simply click on the United States one or whichever country you may have chosen. So just simply choose that, and after that, as you can see, my current country and region is now United States. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.